I'm J.R. Bentley. You're watching the Johnson City Press Week in Review right here on JohnsonCityPress.com. There's always news and always different stories, but they all take second chair behind the dominant issue of the day, the COVID-19 pandemic. The Tennessee Department of Health on Thursday reported 424 new confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus, bringing the total to 8,266 since tracking began in March. The state also reported 4 new deaths, bringing the toll to 170. None of the new cases was in Northeast Tennessee's upper 8 counties, keeping the total in the region at 166. In the last 2 days, Tennessee cases have jumped by 872. In a week, cases increased by 2,004, or 32%. In the same period, Northeast Tennessee cases increased by 12, or 7.79%. While there is not a vaccine or a proven cure, there have been several options bandied about. None have shown much success. The parent company of Lysol disinfectant warned Friday that its product should not be used internally to treat the virus after President Donald Trump wondered about the prospect during a White House briefing. Tennessee Governor Bill Lee says we can all expect to grapple with significant revenue shortfalls in the state budget as Tennessee gears up for reopening this week. Lee outlined his justifications for reopening the state's economy, saying virtually every indicator of success in containing COVID-19 show that your efforts have been working. This isn't an indication that we should slack off at all, but it does give us a path to move forward doing some of the things we did before. He added that Tennesseans will need to continue social distancing practices even as the state's economy reopens. William R Schaefer, the father of an infant who died last week in Bristol, was indicted Wednesday on charges of first-degree murder and 2 counts of aggravated child abuse in Sullivan County. About 7:30 a.m. on April 14th, Bristol police responded to 488 Meadowview Road in reference to an unresponsive 2-month-old infant who was later pronounced dead at a hospital. The responding officers thought the death was suspicious in nature and began an immediate investigation. Schaefer was remanded to the Sullivan County Jail under $1 million bond. After a much-anticipated meeting on Wednesday concluded, the fate of Appalachian League baseball after the 2020 season remains in limbo. Officials from Major League and Minor League Baseball met for an hour, releasing a joint statement that read, "The parties are continuing their discussions with the goal of concluding a mutually beneficial long-term agreement in the near future." No date was set for the next meeting, but let's hope that it's constructive and beneficial to the Appy League. We'd sure like to have our baseball back, and we'd surely like to have a lot of things back. So remember, people, as Tennessee begins to reopen, stay vigilant, stay mindful, and stay socially distant. It's better to be safe than sorry. For the Johnson City Press and JohnsonCityPress.com, I'm J.R. Bentley. Thanks for watching.